surgeon said no, and I respect him for it. I was a nurse assigned to an 86-year-old nursing home resident. She'd suffered several strokes, had chronic heart failure, and was paralyzed on one side. Her family decided she needed a feeding tube because she could no longer swallow effectively. I explained the procedure to her, as informed consent was required, even though her son, holding her power of attorney for healthcare, had already approved it. When I asked her if she wanted the feeding tube, she surprised me. She clearly said no. Her refusal was heartbreaking, but it was clear. I immediately told my supervisor and the nursing home doctor. They disagreed, insisting the family's decision overrode hers, but I noted her refusal on the transfer paperwork and sent her crying to the hospital. A few hours later, she was back, without the feeding tube. The surgeon had refused. He reviewed her case and stated no means no. She hadn't been declared incompetent, so her decision stood. He noted that POA decisions only activate when the patient is mentally incapable, which she wasn't. Her family tried to have her declared incompetent, but she passed away before it went to court. Honestly, they wouldn't have won. She was competent and she made her choice.